California lawmakers are currently considering a new law that would help thousands of community college students graduate without having any debt.
Elizabeth Alvarez is live at Mesa College to explain how this free tuition could be expanded. Good morning, Liz.
Morning, Liz.
Hi, good morning, you guys. Good morning to everybody at home. Yes, we're talking about Assembly Bill 2, which would expand the current law right now in California that provides community colleges with funding so that first-time, full-time students don't have to pay for tuition for the first year. The law is called the California College Promise, and the bill currently on the table would expand free tuition for students from 1 to 2 years across the state, but it also removes the requirement that students be first-time students. Now, here at Mesa College and other colleges that are part of the San Diego Community College District, well, they've been providing free 2-year tuition since 2016 through the San Diego Promise program. It was something that was initially launched as a pilot program, which was privately funded. Today, it continues to be funded by donors, and now also the statewide California College Promise law that then Governor Jerry Brown enacted. Assembly Bill 2, again, would expand the law so that community colleges up and down the state could offer free tuition for 2 years. How does that work? Well, it's state money that we're talking about, taxpayer money. The bill on the table increases the general fund. According to the governor's proposed budget under this bill, the total ongoing funding for the program would be $80 million. So, a little bit of controversy there. I mean, people have different opinions on whether or not state taxpayer money should go to fund college tuition, right? But that is currently what is being discussed right now up in Sacramento, up in the state legislature. In fact, this bill, Assembly Bill 2, right now, is currently in committee. It's currently in the Appropriations Committee. So we will keep you posted on where this bill ends up. It looks right now, according to the legislature's website, that so far it's gotten a lot of approval by the state lawmakers that make up the committee. We'll keep you posted. But focusing back here at Mesa College and the other community colleges that make up the San Diego Community College District, it just so happens that the San Diego Promise program, which again has been providing free 2-year tuition to qualifying students, it's open registration right now. So if you are looking to come to one of the community colleges within the Community College District and you are a full-time or plan to be a full-time and first-time student, may be worth checking out. We are live this morning at Mesa College. We'll send it back to you.
All right, we'll see how this
Great opportunity
goes over.
for the students.
Yeah. Thanks, Liz.